big puppies dog cage because it's really dirty right now. If I move out of the way, there's toys everywhere. There's toys everywhere. You might not be able to see the toys that I'm showing you. That's because I'm new to videos and I am not very good at actually showing things. So just don't mind that. And of course, if you want to see more dog training, subscribe and give me a like because that always is more like with dog training. Buddy is not very good at play biting because he just play bites all the time. Like he's play biting right now, so you might see me go ow like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start. This is Squeaky Bone. This is his ball, and this is his passy. Another one of his toys, it's like this yellow thing. This is his bone. That's my sister Caroline walking by. She's 4, and I'm 7. So but I'm turning 5. Yeah, in like 60 days. So, this is his bone. And Corinne is basically Caroline plays toy. Yeah, so she's kind of never mind. So this is his tug toy. It's this red rope. This is a stuffed animal. It's not really stuffy, but it makes noises when I step on it. But it stopped for some reason. I don't know why. It's kind of hard to make the noise, so it's probably just hard to make the noise. This is his bowl you can put treats in. This is his alligator for when he's bigger, because he doesn't really like it. His cloth bone, it's really cute and fuzzy. He tears that thing up a lot. About this bone and this one. So here is La Lovely Basket, and it goes right here. Here is his food bowl. These things are so he doesn't eat too fast. And I like this part because it's like really cute. This is his cute bowl setup. So there's like his pad and his bowl. Again, you guys probably can't see that. But yeah. So now look how clean his cage is. But we still have a few toys. Another bone. Lick pad. It's supposed to be a lick pad, but he only bites it to get it off the floor because it has suckers. So that's suckers. That's my sister Carol. They already know that, Corinne. Yeah, I forgot. This is his bone. And another treat ball. It has treats in there. It's kind of gross. I'm taking them out right now. They're so disgusting. Putting them up here. This treat ball. Got it. So this is his treat ball. I'm gonna put the lid on so you guys can see it. So on the bottom you can kind of see it. I'm gonna put it back. This is his leash. I'm kind of giving you a tour, not really a cleaning, but it's a cleaning tour. So yeah, so this is the part where you hold it, and this is the hook part. Okay, look. Now he thinks it's time to go out, but it's actually not. This is an umbrella that he goes out with Daddy. pulls it over his head. So that also goes in there. Oh, I have to put the lid on really tight so ants don't get in there. Because we have a real ant problem. Like, super bad. There's another duck tree. If there's one, get out. Ah! Okay, the red ball fell. But let's put that tree in. And check real quick if there is any more. Yep, there's another one. Locked.
Come in, Elise.
Okay. So. Trying to look at top. So I'm just gonna put his blanket in, and then I will be done and have to leave because I'm having a popcorn movie night with my family. So yes, there we go. I'm gonna have to move his food bowl. Okay, now he's like, what you do? It needs a time for you. You need to get your food. It's really hard to put this blanket in here. So, get it out. No biting. No biting. It's always like coming in to see what I'm doing. And maybe bite me. I'm coming. I just have to clean this jug. I just have to
You're doing a great job.
put the.
But this popcorn is good. Woo.
I'm coming. Just hold on.
Caroline, this is the best popcorn I've ever had.
Yeah.
Have you ever had popcorn that's good before?
No.
I think there's gold dust in this popcorn. I think there's magic sprinkles in it. After eating this popcorn, I feel smarter, more handsome, more lightweight.
Got it. I got it all done.
Okay.
And his
Looking.
So that's the end of the jug cleaning. I hope you like this video. And if you want to see more dog training videos, make sure to give a like and subscribe. Bye.